Do you sometimes find it difficult to focus or concentrate? Racing thoughts. You're at a computer and you just need a break because you're feeling overwhelmed with what's ever happening. Okay, that happens to all of us. We're overwhelmed with a task or a person or a situation, event, circumstance that's in front of us on the plate of our life. Okay, so then we go and we distract, we disengage, we go dissociate, we go to the fridge, we go numb out on some TikTok videos, or we just sort of stare blankly at a wall. That's your nervous system trying to recalibrate from the overwhelm of the stressful event, circumstance, situation, person that you were in. That's not a bad thing. That's your nervous system trying to recalibrate and correct. But what can happen is that it doesn't, that dissociative break, going to another tab, looking at videos, going to the fridge, staring at a wall, that's a dissociative break, not a restorative break. And that's what leads to us feeling burnt out and totally dysregulated, because we're not taking breaks that are actually restorative and tapping into the circuits of our nervous system that get us out of threat and back to safety. And so I want to share with you the concept of a restorative break versus a dissociative break. And I want to give you a physical thing you can do to promote more of a break that's restorative and taps you back into your own green tree circuits of safety. That's why I've got green trees big and powerful up there. It's because we need support. So, noticing that you're overwhelmed, stressed, you need a break. Notice the desire to go numb and avoid. Not a problem. Now notice that you have choice and can tune into a more restorative break. Simple. Interlace your fingers, put them down on top of your head, and just press down a little bit. And as I press down, I can feel the weight on my sitting bones, and it grounds me. Now I can close my eyes if I need to reduce the visual stimuli around me. I can find my breath. And I can hum on the exhale, and I can pay attention to the vibration of humming in my face, neck, chest, even down to my belly. Hands pressing down on your head. Hum on the exhale. This is a very, very restorative break. It can take 10 to 30 seconds, maybe longer, if your system is really elevated and has been for a long time. Not a problem. But you can literally unplug from circuits of threat and plug back into circuits of safety. Now, you might have a situation where your shoulders don't allow that or your neck doesn't tolerate that. That's no problem, because you can get some ankle weights and you can just put them on your thighs, just like this. Okay, so now you've got some grounding through your thigh bones, which is putting more weight on your feet. It's helping ground, okay? And then you can do a singing monkey. Again, close your eyes. Now use your thumbs to close your ears. Normal breath in. Hum on the exhale. This is a deeply restorative break for your nervous system to tune it back into circuits of safety instead of threat. So there's your invitation, practicing noticing when you take dissociative breaks and replacing them with restorative breaks, because you too can be a nervous system ninja and translate your circuits of threat into circuits of safety. My name's Dr. Renee Ostertag. I am a physical and psychotherapist, basically a relationship therapist between mind and body that can help you develop your own nervous system ninja mastery by changing the inputs to your world and getting new outputs in your world. If you like this video, hit like, subscribe, and what else? Share it. I have a lot of free goodies and affordable goodies and a free consult. So if there's anything more that you need from me or would like to explore what working together would look like, reach out. There's a link down below. Have a beautiful, grounded, restorative day.